Imagine wearing a device that could literally save your life. A smartwatch that not only tracks your steps or reminds you to stand, but detects serious health conditions. Keeps you connected in the most remote parts of the world, and does all that while running smoother and smarter than ever. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest in tech with a dose of realism and a splash of excitement. Today, we're diving into the Apple Watch Ultra 3. And trust me, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-on reinvention. Apple has ruled the wearable space for years, but 2025 is shaping up to be something entirely different. Ultra 3. Apple isn't just refining its rugged flagship smartwatch, it's transforming it into an essential survival and lifestyle tool for everyone. It's not just hardcore athletes or mountain climbers. Let's start with one of the boldest, newest features: blood pressure detection. Now, Apple's not trying to replace your doctor yet, but they're coming awfully close. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 will reportedly monitor blood pressure trends using advanced optical sensors and algorithms, instead of providing exact numbers. Like a blood pressure cuff, it'll track changes over time, analyzing things like pulse wave velocity, heart rate shifts, and blood vessel behavior. If it detects patterns that might indicate hypertension, it'll send a subtle but powerful message like, "Your blood pressure seems elevated. Consider seeing a healthcare provider." This is a huge leap forward in preventative health, especially considering how many people live with high blood pressure without even knowing it. And when paired with Apple Health, watchOS 26, and Apple Intelligence, users could receive tailored lifestyle recommendations, health reports, and stress-based nudges to help them make smarter decisions daily. It's no longer just a smartwatch. It's your personal health assistant, quietly working in the background now. Here's where things get adventurous: satellite messaging. That's right, Apple is finally bringing satellite connectivity to the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Remember when you had to be within cellular range to send a message? Not anymore. It's whether you're on a remote hike, sailing across open waters, or just stuck in a disaster-prone area with no reception, your watch will now keep you connected. By partnering with Globalstar, Apple is introducing two-way satellite messaging, so you can send short, predefined texts and share your location even without Wi-Fi or mobile service. It's not just for thrill seekers either, solo travelers. Rural residents, or anyone stuck in an emergency, will benefit from this. Think of it like the emergency exit row on an airplane. You might not need it often, but when you do, you'll be really glad it's there. Combined with crash detection, fall detection, and emergency SOS, this feature pushes the Apple Watch into full survival gear territory, all from your wrist. And now, onto the third major feature: 5G RedCap connectivity. Okay, maybe not as headline-grabbing as blood pressure or satellite messages, but trust me, this is a game-changer for how we use wearables. Until now, Apple Watches relied on 4G LTE. It worked, but had its limitations in speed and power consumption. At a RedCap, a lighter, more efficient version of 5G tailored for small, low-power devices like smartwatches. This means faster app syncing, lower latency for notifications, real-time GPS updates, and smoother Siri interactions. You'll be able to stream music, get coaching from Apple Intelligence, and send messages, all without being tethered to your iPhone. And best of all, RedCap uses less battery, so you won't be scrambling for a charger halfway through the day. The Ultra 3 is stepping closer to being a truly standalone device, something we've been waiting years for in the smartwatch space. But wait. There's more, of course there is. It's Apple. Rumors also suggest a blazing fast S10 chip, improved micro LED display for better brightness and efficiency, deeper AI integration for personalized health and fitness suggestions, and sleek new color options like Midnight Titanium and Forest Green. And with watchOS 26, you're looking at enhanced UI, smarter widgets, and deeper Apple ecosystem synergy. Whether you're monitoring your health more closely, navigating rugged terrain, or just want a smarter way to manage your daily life, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 looks like it's setting a whole new standard in wearable tech. So the question now is, will you be upgrading? Is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 the all-in-one health tracker, emergency beacon, and AI-powered assistant you've been waiting for? Or are you holding out for the Ultra 4, complete with a holographic keyboard and built-in espresso machine. Either way, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if this breakdown helped you understand what's coming, or even sparked a little excitement for Apple's next big move, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive on Apple's latest innovations. Before you go, check out the videos on your screen. One's a full preview of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the other takes you inside the top watchOS 26 features you need to know. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay safe, and stay connected.